Alright, good morning everyone. This is me VJ cameraman Harsimran Weircut. In this video I'm going to unbox Moyu weilong GTS version 2 magnetic 3x3 stickerless Rubik's cube, bought from cublelo.com. It's online puzzle store, free shipping, and it's in India, so I think it was around 1700 around, including GST. So let's jump into the video. Let's see, I have ordered Moyu weilong magnetic. Let's see if that is the thing which they have actually sent across. All right, all right, let's see what's in it. So it's packed properly. Let's see what's, it's just a form, I guess. If you see properly, just form and another form. And this is how my box is looking right now. So I guess this and this. Let's see what's it. I guess that's tax invoice, free shipment, and that was 1789. Moyu weilong GTS2 stickerless. Alright, let's hope that this is the one. GTS2 magnetic. I'm excited. Cublelo, original price, magnetic stickerless GTS2, and not certain if they are going to Moyu. See, this is it. Let's open it. Cublelo gives a very good range of Rubik's cube if you compare it with Amazon and others. So it's specifically for Rubik's cube, so they are expected to give more, right? So this is how the box looks like. This is no, I guess I have already shown it. Magnetic. Ooh. All right, let's open it. Okay, so I got something. All right, I like the colors. I guess this is yellow, and this is orange, and this is green. This is red. All right, my fingers are tapping into it. All right, this is good. Tick tick. Moyu symbol in the center. I like it. Let's open. Do we have something else? Some, I guess, Chinese one. I don't know. What's it? All right, some genius guy. Look. Do we have something else? No. Something's there. No, that's just a stand. All right. Without further ado, let's open it. Since it's stickerless, so I was not expecting any kind of stickers that usually you can, put it here if once they get off while solving it. All right, so this is it. Oh wow, it's nice. Nice stickerless cube. Should I open this? Let's try if I can open this. I really want to see if it's got, come on. Oh, how difficult it is to get this thing out. It's 4 minutes already to the video. I guess I should not take it out. Is that the way it is? I don't know, but if you see, I can turn it around like that. Hence the reason it is not accepted in the world champions, because you can easily twist it and make it go. but I like stick like it. The color doesn't fade away, never. Oh, either ways, I'm going to open it. It is asking me some time. Leave it, I'll do it later. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Tick tick. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. I forgot to open this box. So it's got beginner's method audio, also with beginner's method and a couple of sounds. So it's really magnetic. Thanks. Bye.